This is the Daosec bundle here. I got the 10-foot security chain, 3/8 inch thickness, and I also got this Daosec deadbolt here. This is very heavy duty, highly reinforced. Comes with 3 keys right here. This also came with a carrying case as well. There's a carrying case for the chain, but overall this is a very nice product here. This is exactly what I was looking for. I got a recommendation for this set here from some people who operate construction sites. They use this to lock up generators and things like that, equipment, to make sure it's not stolen, and this is definitely going to fit my application. I'm going to be using this to tie off a boat to a boat dock, so this is going to be very heavy duty. And again, this lock here is really nice. Comes with the 3 keys, just a real nice setup here. You got the carrying case for the chain. So if you're looking for the bundle here, this is what it comes with. You do have a couple different variations with the locks. I like this one because the key setup just looks like it's really safe and secure. You're not going to be able to cut this with traditional bolt cutters. And this chain also, it's supposed to be very heavy duty and reinforced. So if you're looking for something to secure your belongings, Daosec looks like a really great brand here.